Hey guys, this is Noah, and today me and my cousins are shooting my airsoft guns at this empty McDonald's Styrofoam cup. You can tell we already beat it up because there's already some holes. They shoot through sometimes they shoot and it goes right over here. But let's get to the shooting. So here's the last look before we shoot it again. We got some holes. On the other side, got more holes. But yeah, there's the shooter. We're gonna be using one of my airsoft guns. It's a 355 FPS.
It's 400 now.
355 FPS shotgun.
400 now.
You probably
400 now. Look, 400.
The sun. So we'll move the bottle into shade where you can see it. He knocked it over.
Second bullet, baby.
We didn't put the clip in. I know it's kind of dumb. We took it out.
Oh, that made a hole.
That hit me too.
Good God, good one. That made a hole. Don't get a big hole now.
Now let me shoot it.
Wait.
I'm shooting it after this.
We move back, right?
Okay.
Okay.
He's having some difficulties.
I think I pee myself.
He knocked it down.
I hit it?
So here we have some holes. And yes, you did hit it.
No, stop.
You shot it again.
Where'd the bullets at?
I don't know. But he shot it, and now I'll be shooting it. We usually have to look for bullets in between the shots. So here's the never shot of the gun. Now he's going far. I don't know why he's wearing a weird hat. That did not hit it. Okay, my turn. I'll be back when I shoot it. Now he's gonna be shooting this weird looking paintball. You gotta put ammo in it. And don't put it close or else it'll get paint all over the airsoft gun.
Oh my God. Sucks. What's going on?
Okay, I'll be back when we get another book.
Is it pop? Are you kidding me? This thing's not.
Now we're gonna go into FPS and we're gonna do it touching the gun. Now that made a hole. And when it hit the ground, styrofoam came off and babies came off. Let's go to the second shot. Okay, so I guess it went through. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.